Instead of just creating a trailer where everything's kind of written out for you, you can actually create just a movie. This gives you a little more flexibility in your movie creation. When you start iMovie, go ahead and click on the Projects tab, and there you'll see the addition sign right there. Go ahead and push the addition sign. When you push the addition sign, instead of clicking on trailer, you're just going to simply click movie.
Now, on this next screen, what you're going to see is if I had any photo or video on my device, it would show up here, and I could click on those, and then at the very bottom hit create movie, and all the photos and videos that I selected will automatically be uploaded to the timeline of my new project. But since I don't have any videos or photos on my device, I'm just going to hit create movie, and I'm going to start with a blank slate. Once you've hit create movie, you'll see the screen, and this will be where you're going to build your project.